Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel where we talk about apps and finance. Today we're talking about the future of payments. I'm going to show some pretty crazy technology that might change your mind on the way you view things. So today I saw this tweet by Coin Bureau. This is the future of payments with FedNow and cbdc's, which is central bank digital currencies. Biometric info linked to your social credit account, linked to your wallet. So here we have a video showing what could be a possibility for the future of payments. In this example, you look into the payment machine and it sort of scans your eyes, and this data is linked to your credit card or your bank or your wallet, and it automatically pays for you. It's a very scary, futuristic, centralized payment method which doesn't include any sort of privacy. With this, the banks and credit cards and government now needs the information on your eyes and your data, the same stuff you use to open your phone. So it's not something you should want to provide them. So now we have to think about what could be the alternatives. I personally would rather tap or swipe or insert my card. I'm kind of old school. I never even have used the phase where you tap your card. I still insert mine. I don't know how I missed this update on every machine. So there is money and technology coming to compete against this. Here we have a video of Jack Mallers, CEO of Strike, which is a global Bitcoin and payments app, and he's demonstrating how to pay with Bitcoin and how fast it is using the Lightning Network. And the Lightning Network is actually faster and 1,000 times cheaper than credit card payments. So here he is, scans it, puts in his PIN. You'll see the check appear on the screen and it's paid for. So that was a real in-world demonstration of using the Bitcoin Lightning Network for payments, a real competitor to banks, credit cards, centralized currencies, and all of that. And this payment method actually has privacy. Like, you don't need your eyeballs to scan the thing. You don't need a bank account. You don't need to put in all of your information. You just need a Bitcoin wallet. So here we have another example, and in this one they actually compare a credit card payment to a Bitcoin Lightning Network payment. And remember, Bitcoin Lightning Network is 1,000 times cheaper than credit card. So let's go ahead and play this. Bitcoin Lightning Network is going to be on the left. They tap their cards at the same time, and you can see Bitcoin Lightning Network actually completes first, at least 2 or 3 seconds before the credit card. We'll go ahead and watch this again for you. Very impressive technology. Amazing stuff that's being built with blockchain, crypto, Bitcoin, and it's something you gotta pay attention to and watch out for. So there's this future where the government wants all of your information and to own you, and then you have the opposite where it's this blockchain network and it's actually better technology. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. There's thousands of videos on my channel about finance and these mobile apps. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.